Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. First of all, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and share it, and then go below and click the links to our social media and follow us on our social media accounts. Today I'm bringing you an extension for Chrome. Of course, you have to have a Google Chrome browser to use it, but some of you have had the keywords everywhere, and one of the keyword search things is trying to find out how much search is being done for a certain keyword. So I'm going to show you an extension. I'm going to be going to the Google Chrome store, and I am going to show you the extension that you need, and it's called Keyword Surf. I already have it installed, but I just kind of wanted to go to it, and in fact it's up here, Keyword Surfer, and I can have the link. Actually, just follow this, go to the Google Chrome app store. So but I already have it installed, but it's Keyword Surfer, and it shows the search terms. And this is a good alternative. Many used keywords everywhere, and everyone got used to it. It was really, really good, and then they started charging. And I don't know whether this is going to happen to a Keyword Surfer or not. It's frustrating to me when they get you hooked, and then it's a business model. Get you hooked and then want to charge. So let's go to the Keyword Surfer. Let me just go ahead and go to Google, google.com, put the search in, and let's go local car repair. Let's see what happens here. And I do have it activated, and one of the things that you can do, sometimes you can turn off extensions. I'll just give you a little tip here. You can go to the extensions and you can turn them off and on, and this is the switch. Each of them, the switch, see, this is on, this is off. So just a little tip. So I actually go in sometimes and turn these off and on depending on what I'm doing. So okay, local car repair. Here is of course, this looks like this is showing Great Britain. So let's go to the settings. Okay, it is United States of America. Making sure that is it. So evidently no no similar keywords found for preferred location United States of America, showing data for United Kingdom. So let's go local car repair. I'm near West Palm. See what happens. Okay, there we go. Just drop in the city that you live, and this shows the quality of the backlinks, and it shows exactly where the backlinks are. Yelp, yourmechanic.com, Mobile Auto Repair Pros, Facebook, then this is a very good backlink, and then Facebook is, and there's zero quality, and it shows, and it has a number of quality backlinks. There's 57, 24, there's 10. Okay, and then the estimated traffic from Yelp. So then 6.8 million, 90,000, 90.6 thousand. There's 56. There's 652 million from Facebook. 11. Nothing. You know, these are the lower. But what I wanted to get to, I mean, that's kind of neat, and it's good. And which there is a sign up you can do to get more detailed info. But the thing I am interested in is finding, okay, these are the related searches, and this is the search volume. So basically, it looks like to me, I try to stay, this is monthly searches, I try to stay at least 1,000. Of course, when you get into a very, very limited niche, and it might be only 200, 300, 400, you know, you might want to go with those. But okay, what you actually find out here is mobile auto repair. To me, that would be a very good one, because there's only 1,600 searches a month, which is good. And if you are a mobile repair business, you could really hone in on that and really start dominating that market. Because when you, this is just a general auto repair near me, that's a lot of competition. But this is a little bit more precise. Okay, auto repair West Palm Beach, 140. You could dominate that market. You could dominate this. And you know, when you drop under, get lower searches, you can start dominating that market. Let me just go. I'm near Stuart, Florida. Let's see. You know, it may drop under, and okay, there are few. Okay, auto repair Stuart, Florida, 140. Let me change this and put the full name in. It doesn't change anything. Let me go Jensen Beach, Florida. Hey, there's Firestone prices, and see, it pulls up everything that is what has been searched. So you may go for one thing, you may find another niche that you can actually dig into. And I just pulled car repair out of the blue. So another thing you can do is click on this, and it shows the current repair or the current searches. So let's just show you a little bit about what happens. Wheel alignment. This is a search. Google tells you what people are searching. So wheel alignment, Port St. Lucie. Okay, oil change, Port St. Lucie. So you could really focus, if you were a car repair shop, you could really focus. You could do or hire someone, and this would tell you if you need someone. I can help you. You can contact us below, or send an email, james@jjmediaonline.net. So I just wanted to show you that there is an alternative to Keywords Everywhere. It is called Keyword Surfer. Keyword Surfer, and you actually go and you can change the if you live out of the country, you can focus on the different countries, and but you can really give precise, know exactly how many searches. That way you know whether it's good enough to go by or to dig into, and to really saturate that niche. There's enough searches, monthly searches. So hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you connect with us, subscribe, and subscribe to our channel, connect with us on our social media, and share this with your friends. Thank you again. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.